I know, guys. By now, you must have watched a lot of videos related to this topic. But honestly, tell me, how many of you have actually learned to perfectly create this type of AI videos? No, I'm asking because even I couldn't understand it for hours. Even though I spent an entire day on YouTube trying to learn how to make perfect AI videos like these. So just imagine what you guys must have understood. Because in those videos they only say, go to this AI tool, paste your prompt here, and boom, your video is ready. Guys, to tell you the truth, the main role in creating these videos is a perfect story. Even a 5-year-old kid can generate a video by just pasting a prompt. That's why, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a professional story with dialogues for these kinds of videos, and how to use those prompts to generate consistent AI videos. I'll also tell you what mistakes not to make while uploading these videos on your channel, so you don't end up getting 0 views. I'll tell you that too. But before that, watch a video I created myself. Hulku paya, get up quickly. A zombie army has entered the village. They're grabbing everyone and taking them away. Run, save yourselves. Zombies are here. Someone please save us. Hey, you rotten zombies. How dare you enter my village? These people are mine. If you got the guts, fight me. Grab this green guy too. We'll turn him into a zombie today. No one will survive today. Oh no, what have you done? Friends, now everything depends on you. Like and subscribe so my strength can return and my villagers can be saved. Here, take this. Now watch my real power. This is not some zombie game. This is Hulk Paya's territory. Hulk Zindabad. Okay, so you've watched the video. Now take a look at these channels that uploaded the same type of videos. Some gained 1 million subscribers in just 22 videos. Some gained more than 900k subscribers in just 5 videos. And it's not only these 2 channels. One gained 100k subscribers with only 2 videos, and one gained almost 300k subscribers with around 12 videos. So now you must have understood how trending this niche currently is. And seriously, watch this video till the end. You're going to enjoy it a lot. Because in this same video, I'll also tell you how you can get free access to Google Gemini Pro. So guys, without any delay, let's get started with the video. Okay, so first of all, we will learn how to generate a strong story for our video. For that, go to any one of these channels whose stories you like the most, and copy the link of that channel. After that, open ChatGPT and paste the channel link there, and give a command like, I've given you the link to a channel. Analyze it properly. Then run that command. ChatGPT will analyze the channel and give you some points. Okay, now you have to give ChatGPT another command. In that, you have to provide the link of anyone, short video from that channel, and also its story written out. After that, tell ChatGPT, now, I've given you a latest short video link from the same channel and also its story. Check that story or video and generate 5 more. Stories in the same format. After typing this, run the command. Then ChatGPT will generate 5 more powerful Hulk-related stories in the same format. Now guys, read all the stories one by one and select the one you like the most. Let's say I liked the first story. So I'll copy the title of this story and paste it here. And give ChatGPT a command. Write scene-by-scene video prompts plus dialogues on this topic. And make the dialogues longer so the video feels professional. Remember, everything should be perfect. The video should look realistic. Guys, don't worry. All these prompts will be available on my Telegram channel. And the link to the Telegram channel will be in the description or pinned comment. So go join it. After that, run the command. ChatGPT will then give you all the video prompts and dialogues one by one. But right now, ChatGPT has given prompts and dialogues separately, which makes copy-pasting difficult. So we'll give another command. Attach the video. Prompts and dialogues together so I can copy both at once. Then, ChatGPT will give you all prompts and dialogues combined, which you can copy with one click. Okay, so our story and video prompts work is now complete. Now comes video generation. For that, open a new tab and search Flow AI. Then open the second website. Click on Create with Flow, then New Project. Some. Interface like this will open. You'll see some settings below. Don't change anything there. Just go to ChatGPT. Copy your first video prompt. Come back to Flow AI, paste your prompt there, and click the arrow. Your video will start generating, and once done, you can download it from there. Now watch the next step carefully, otherwise all your hard work will be wasted. As soon as your first video clip is generated, click the 3 dots and open the page in desktop site mode. Zoom a little. Now click once on the video. You'll see an option, Simply click on it. Now again, go to ChatGPT. Copy your second video prompt. Come back to Flow AI. You'll see a white plus line. Drag it to the last position of the video. Click the plus icon. Then click Extend. Paste your second prompt and click the arrow. Your second video clip will start generating. Okay, so our second clip is generated. I'll play it for you. When it's done, again go back to ChatGPT. Copy your third prompt, return to Flow AI. Click the plus icon, extend, paste prompt, click arrow. Your third clip will start generating. So guys, repeat this same process again and again and generate all your video clips. I'll quickly generate mine now. Music. Okay, when all your clips are done, click the download icon to export. After exporting, a download button will appear. Click it and download your full video. Now video generation work is finished. There may be a little editing left. I know you guys can do it. Now I'll tell you how to upload these videos properly. Open YouTube app, click the plus icon. And remember, keep video selected, not short. Select your video and click. Next, add a good title and upload it as unlisted. When it's uploaded, open it in YouTube Studio. First copy your title and paste it into the description. Then select Altered, Content, and set category to Entertainment. Now schedule the video for 5-10 minutes later and save. Your video will automatically become public. Okay, today's work ends here. See you in the next video. But yes, before you leave, like the video. Don't forget to hype it up. And if possible, subscribe too, because we are very close to 50K. Okay guys, see you. Take care, bye-bye.